What's up? Kudos and Chet once again. Philippines by any means. We're back on the property right now. It's a big day. The walls are going up as you can see. And today they are pouring the concrete flooring. It's going to be awesome. The concrete truck is on his way up the hill now. So we're going to let you guys experience that. And I'm excited. This is going to be kind of like the last phase before this house really starts to take form. So they're doing both floors today. Second floor pour, and they're also pouring the first floor and smoothing it out and making it nice. Finally, we'll be able to get you up there and walk around so you can kind of get an idea of really what this thing is going to look like as it moves forward from here. So right now it's April, mid-April, near the end of April. We're supposed to be finished by July 1st, so we'll see what happens with that. But this is the beginning steps to meeting that goal. This is the day we've been waiting for a long time. So concrete pour today, doing the first and second story. Walls are getting done here in the driveway. As you can see, I'm standing on a portion of the driveway right now. We're experimenting with a red driveway. You can't really tell yet because we got a lot of dirt, dust, and concrete down here. But there's an automatic gate going in here, so we just poured this part of the driveway because that is what was needed to be able to now implant the track for the automatic gates. And actually, I think I'm gonna have it going this way, and it kind of just comes and turns right up against the wall. So we'll see what happens with that. That's done. That should be coming in the next week or so. So we're moving along, we're making progress since the last time I seen you. So let's take a walk around the property and see what's going on. Let's go.
One plastic ulit. One plastic.
Out here, man.
We'll get the plastic there, no?
Yeah, you can take it out. Yeah.
One plastic. Kaya ganang sisilyo, isapaw sa Biblia.
Stay on me.
Nasa ng Biblia, di ba?
We're out here right now, about to bless the house. Put the Bible down so my people can put the concrete down. 20 coins. How much money you putting there, girl? Yeah?
1 million.
I'm hopeful, yeah, 1 million. We get it back triple full. That's what God told me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, a little tradition. Everybody does it a different way. I'm in the Philippines right now, so this is how we're doing it. We're going to bury the Bible in the center of the house before they lay the concrete. So the house will always be blessed. I picked 2 passages out of the Bible, 2 verses that's appropriate for blessing a house. Out here with my man Alejandro, architect extraordinaire. He's the one that designed this house. Yeah, we got a nice shot of Alejandro. Give a wave, sir.
Hello. How are you?
Got my man Lito.
Good morning, man.
He's doing the Bible. Foreman on the job. Let's get a zoom in, close up on that real quick. Watch these wires though. So here we go. We're gonna go down and wait for the truck to come and let the party get started.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Salamat. here getting this thing done right now. Concrete for second floor, posts, walls. They'll do the first floor from what I understand on another day. That's cast. So right now we got a pre-mix going. Guys are all out here working hard in this hot Philippine sun. A lot of work, man, but we're getting it done. Nice.